Sally, can you say Happy Easter?
No.
Okay.
Okay, so you go try and find your Easter basket.
See it.
What's in there?
Super.
Who is it, Sally?
Pick it up, Sally.
Who's in there?
Pick it up.
What did you get?
Mommy.
Is that Thumper?
Baby.
Bambi.
Sally, is that a new show for you? Bambi?
What else is there?
Dee.
There's a bunny. Peter Rabbit.
Take it out. Here, Daddy, help you.
Honey.
A bunny.
A bunny.
Hi, bunny. Say Happy Easter.
Sally, can you say Jesus?
Nemo. Nemo.
No, that's just M&M. What'd you get?
Sack.
Snack?
Sack.
Not yet. We'll have it later.
But
Can you say Happy Easter?
happy here. Happy.
Go show